Namaste, my name is Cassius Khan and I'm an Indian classical musician who plays the tabla and is a classical vocalist. I am excited to announce that Amika and I will be performing in not one but two separate events this coming Saturday, November the 6th. The first one being for Diwali Family Day at Coquitlam Heritage in the Mackin house, which is located on 1116 Brunette Avenue in Coquitlam. We will be presenting a 1-hour recital of Ghazals and Tabla there, and then we will be scooting off to the Massey Theatre in New Westminster, located on 8th and 8th, and their open house is also called 8th and 8th. And there, Amika and I will be performing another Ghazal Tabla set alongside the great Afghani musician Ustad Majid Qiyam, who will be playing the Rabab. For more information, please feel free to contact these venues to get more information. I hope to see you there. Take care. Namaste.